Oh, here we go. Hey there, buddy. That's Mr. Hyena.
La hiena.
Yes. Don't be shy. Mr. Hyena. He said, I'm vámonos. Aquí. Bow, wow, wow, wow. Yippee, yo. The dog in the house. Bow, wow, wow, wow. Yippee, yo. These are wild dogs. They're running packs about 20 to 100. I mean 20 to 40. They're absolutely vicious. They tear your butt apart if you mess with them. Beautiful creatures. They actually look bigger in person. The National Geographic makes them look small, but these dogs are not that small. Hey, doggy. Hey, Snoop. Snoop doggy. So that's a small Komodo dragon. They get to be big size and everything. It's a beautiful leopard. He's over here looking, investigating. It's an investigative boing time. Boing time. King of the beast. King of the jungle. Absolutely magnificent creatures. The only reason I came is to see lion.